This is a Brinsea 24 Advanced Automatic Egg Incubator. It is fully automated with features where you could control the temperature, and it turns the egg once in a while, making it convenient to use. This incubator is reliable and it hatches egg successfully. It has this good quality van and it always produces strong, healthy chicks. The only drawback is lacking of the hygrometer. Otherwise, this is a decent option for those who are serious about egg incubation, especially giving it a capacity and automatic functions.